Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can permanently delete your ElevenLabs account. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. Now, you can do this either on your smartphone or your PC. So for my case, I'm on my computer, and therefore I'll go log into my ElevenLabs account and head over to my profile icon on top here, then choose settings. Now, from settings, scroll down to the last option, and you can see we have an option to delete entire account. Here you're told permanently delete your entire account across all workspaces. You have to note that you will no longer be able to create an ElevenLabs account with this email. So if you only want to leave a workspace, then you can just go to workspace tab here. So click on delete account here, and here you'll have to confirm that indeed you want to delete all your details, and this will permanently delete your account across all workspaces. Now you'll have to confirm by entering your email address to confirm that indeed it is you, and then finalize by clicking on delete account. So for my case, I don't want to delete it, therefore I'll leave it at that. So that's how you can permanently delete your ElevenLabs account permanently. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.